analysis for today. So, yeah, confusion continued. So we've had one day of big up, open on our low, close on our high. Then we had another day of big down, open on our high and close on our low. And then we had another pretty big day on, not really opening our low. We did drop a bit lower to close a gap, but then pretty much close on our high. So the question is, does that continue? So in other words, do we have another red day and then another green day? So we consolidate in this zone. Now, bear in mind, earnings season is upon us. We've already started getting some earnings out. It doesn't really start until next week. Earnings that are coming through at the moment are smaller companies that aren't really going to be moving the markets. So that is something which everybody is focused on right now. So I think that everything else will take a backseat and earnings will be the focus. The important thing for me at the moment, though, is at this level, and if I look to the left here, you'll see it's been used a couple of times, just 31.58. We tested it. We closed above it. We came back. We closed below it. We've closed above it. I'd like to see us stay above it today. If we can stay above that today, then my target area, there's two targets, so that's 3267 is what we'll be looking for, is pretty much on the cards. Okay, sorry, that's not actually what we're looking for. We're looking for 3200, which is just in here. Okay, but there's pretty much, you can see that's the area of support, and then you've got another area of resistance higher up. So that's kind of my outlook at the moment. Still bullish, still looking for longs. What has transpired here is we have got a flag break, and I'll just put that in for you. There was our trend, or our channel. So we gapped up straight into the channel. We've broken out. We've attempted a retest. That's enough of a single for me for looking for longs. So European session, just wait to see that first hour or so of trading on Europe to see what's going to transpire, and then I'll be buying in on the first pullback. Definitely looking for this area here of 3216 or 3200. I think once we're there, we'll probably just keep bouncing around until next week when we get some decent results coming through. Okay, so we're actually at a fairly decent area at the moment. If you look to the left, found support here, found resistance here, and we have closed below it, so it's not clear. So maybe we're going to get another pullback onto this trend line and then an opportunity to buy. So I wouldn't surprise me if we get 31.58 tagged again. We haven't had a decent retest of that on the hour. You see we keep getting below it and above it, below it and above it. So getting a retest of this area, a nice bounce off this, would be a pretty decent area for me to be long. Okay, so nothing really else to add to this. You're looking to buy the dips at the moment. You're getting breakouts right now. A small little gap down here. I'll be surprised though to see it pull back into that flag. I think that flag is more than likely going to play out. And let's just get a measured move on this. Look at that. Straight onto our target of 3216. Yeah, so I think that's it for me on this. Looking for opportunities to buy. And if you did get into the bottom here, stop to entry, start looking for your next entry. It'll be somewhere in this area here. Okay, somewhere between 3172 and 3158. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and stay safe and keep those stops really tight, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.